Did you know 79% of Connecticut residents think schools should teach about climate? Teachers want to teach about climate, but they need relevant, easily accessible resources. In this hub, teachers can find everything they need to bring climate education to their classrooms, all for free. Teacher-created lesson plans for all grades K through 12. A collection of Connecticut-specific resources. News for students, powered by the Juice. Continued learning through professional development opportunities. Visit ctclimatehub.org and start your climate education journey today.